So guys, hello. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Cucumber to your Eclipse Java. So what is Cucumber? Cucumber, it is a very cool tool. It's a testing tool. We can create test cases and we can write codes to automate your test cases. Also, this is very helpful for the business stakeholders because it's written in pure English language with Gherkin keywords. So let's start to install. So first, open your Eclipse. I have already opened my Eclipse. In the Eclipse, go to Help. In the Help, select Install New Software, and here click on Add button, and here give name Cucumber, and the location. I'm gonna just copy from my text file. Don't worry about this link. I will be putting this link in the description part of this video. Please check it. Control copy, and I'm gonna give it here. In the location part, I will be passing this link, name Cucumber, and add. And as you can see here, I have to check this button. So, and then show all the latest versions group. Okay, that's cool. And click on next button. As you can see, now it is installing my Cucumber to my Eclipse IDE machine, and click next and accept terms and license agreement and finish. So what we have to do, we have to restart our Eclipse machine in order to Cucumber properly work. So if this kind of security warning pops up, just click on install anyway. So now it is installing. If you can see here, installing software 58% is done. And it says again, popped up this window, would you like to restart Eclipse IDE, apply the change, and click restart now button and save changes to hello. Save, yeah, no problem. Now it is restarting Eclipse. So guys, now my Eclipse is restarted and we have installed Cucumber. To check it whether it's working properly or not, let's create a new project. So guys, click on file, new. So guys, I'm creating new project, new, let's say Java project, and let's say it's Cucumber test. Click on finish, create. On the SRC, let me create new folder. Let's say test scenarios, let's say, and click on finish. Under test scenarios folder, I'm clicking right click and I'm creating a simple file. Click on that one, and let's say login scenario dot feature. So please make sure that after giving name, you put dot and dot feature. So it means that this is the Cucumber feature file. This is the extension dot feature, and click on finish. Wow, as you can see here, it has all these guides, and also it has some sample one. For example, this is Cucumber. In Cucumber, it uses Gherkin keywords. As first you have to define those feature, and then you have to use scenario keyword, and then you have to use those given and when and this kind of Gherkin keywords we call it. You have to use this one. That's it. So behind those every sentence you can implement the step definitions. This is a more advanced topic. If you want to learn, you can. I'm planning to put some also cucumber testing video tutorials in the future, but right now I don't have. You can search on YouTube. Maybe the other YouTube channels may have those tutorials. Guys, please press like if you like my videos, and subscribe to my channel, and comment whatever question you have. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.